Why do Americans say wanna instead of want to? Seriously, why does English change words every 5 seconds?
Exactly. You learn English carefully in textbooks. Then you watch a movie and suddenly someone says, "What you want to eat?"
And your brain just stops working.
Completely.
I remember hearing, I want to go home. And I thought, wait, where did want to disappear?
Honestly, most English learners feel that frustration.
Because real English sounds so different from classroom English.
But here's the interesting part. Native speakers are not breaking English.
Really?
Nope. Spoken English simply loves shortcuts.
Ooh, shortcut roads again.
Exactly. Imagine formal English is a long road with traffic everywhere.
Slow, careful, textbook English.
Right. But spoken English wants faster roads, smooth roads.
So, wanna is another shortcut road?
Yes. And once you understand that, real conversations suddenly become easier.
Wow, that already feels less scary.
Good. Because today we're unlocking one of the biggest spoken English secrets. Why Americans say wanna instead of want to.
And trust me, this lesson is going to help your listening skills a lot.
Absolutely. Because wanna is everywhere. Movies, podcasts, TikTok, YouTube, daily conversations.
Okay, listeners, quick question. What fast English expression confuses you the most?
Write it in the comments. We might use it in a future lesson.
Okay, now let's unlock this.
Let's do it.
So first, what exactly does wanna mean?
Simple answer, wanna means want to.
That's it?
That's it.
Then why does it sound so different?
Because native speakers connect sounds together naturally.
Ah, like words merging together.
Exactly. Listen carefully. I want to eat.
Natural spoken English? I want to eat.
Do you want to watch a movie?
Do you want to watch a movie?
Nice.
Wow, that sounds so much more natural.
Because spoken English cares about rhythm.
Rhythm?
Yep. English is musical. Native speakers don't like stopping after every word.
So instead of want to,
The sounds slide together. Wanna.
oh, I finally understand.
Exactly. And remember today's core idea. English is patterns, not rules.
English is patterns, not rules.
Perfect.
Okay, wait. Can wanna be used everywhere?
Great question. And this is where many learners get confused.
Uh-oh.
Wanna is mainly used in casual spoken English.
So with friends?
Yes. Friends, family, texting, movies, casual conversations.
But maybe not in a formal business presentation.
Exactly.
Okay, that makes sense.
Listen to this difference. Formal. I want to discuss the project.
Casual. I want to talk about the project.
Perfect.
Wow, you can actually feel the difference.
Because spoken English has emotion and personality.
Not just grammar.
Exactly.
Okay, let's do real life examples.
Let's go.
I want to sleep.
Very natural.
Do you want to grab coffee?
Supernatural American English.
I don't want to work today.
Honestly, everyone says that sometimes.
True.
Now, here comes the important part.
I'm listening.
Native speakers say wanna very fast.
Yes, that's the scary part.
Example, what do you want to do?
Americans often pronounce it like, what do you want to do?
Exactly.
That sounds impossible at first.
But once your brain sees the shortcut pattern, it becomes easier.
Shortcut roads again.
Always.
Okay, listeners, say this out loud. I wanna learn real English.
Nice. Again. Faster.
I want to learn real English.
Good. Let it flow naturally.
Honestly, it feels smoother than want to.
Because your mouth likes smooth sounds too.
Interesting.
Fluent English is often about comfort and flow.
Okay, wait. Here's something confusing. Can I say, I wanna the store?
Nope.
Oh no.
Common learner mistake.
Why is it wrong?
Because wanna only replaces want to before an action verb.
So, I want to eat. I want to sleep. I want to study.
Exactly.
But not, I wanted the mall.
Correct. You need a verb after wanna.
Oh, that's important.
Very important.
Okay, listeners, quick challenge. Which sentence is correct? I want to watch Netflix. Or, I wanted the park.
The first one is correct.
Nice.
Here's another interesting thing.
What?
Wanna often sounds warmer and friendlier.
Really?
Listen carefully. I want to help you.
Sounds polite.
Now, I want to help you.
Oh, wow. That sounds more personal.
Exactly.
Spoken English is emotional.
Yes.
This honestly explains movies so much better now.
Exactly. Real English is full of connected sounds and emotional rhythm.
Okay, let's talk about pronunciation.
Good idea.
Some learners pronounce it too strongly.
Wan na.
Right.
But native speech is softer.
More relaxed?
Exactly. Wanna. Smooth and quick.
I want to go home.
Nice.
Do you want to eat?
Perfect.
Okay, listeners, pause and repeat after me. What do you want to do tonight?
Again.
What do you want to do tonight?
Nice. Your ears are learning real spoken rhythm now.
And honestly, it feels less robotic because you're learning how real humans actually speak. Okay, common mistake section?
Let's do it.
Mistake number 1, using wanna in extremely formal writing.
Right. In essays or formal emails, want to is usually safer.
But in texting?
Totally normal.
Mistake number 2, forgetting the verb after wanna.
Exactly. Wrong. I wanna the restaurant.
Correct, I wanna go to the restaurant.
Perfect.
Mistake number 3, speaking too slowly.
Ah, yes. Some learners say, I wanna eat.
Very unnatural rhythm.
Spoken English should flow smoothly. Shortcut roads. Exactly.
Okay, listeners, fix this sentence. I wanted the office tomorrow.
Correct answer? I wanna go to the office tomorrow.
Nice.
Now fix this one. Do you want to watch TV? Make it casual spoken English.
Do you want to watch TV?
Perfect.
Honestly, I feel more confident already.
Good. Because confidence grows when English finally makes sense.
And this lesson really makes spoken English feel simpler.
Because English is patterns, not rules.
There it is again.
Exactly. Okay, final challenge. I'll say 2 sentences. Choose the more natural, casual English sentence. Ready?
I want to go now. Or, I want to go now.
Casual spoken English? I want to go now.
Nice. Next, what do you want to eat? Or, what do you want to eat?
Native speakers love the second one.
True. I hear that everywhere now.
Because your ears are finally recognizing the shortcut roads. Wow. And that's the real secret of fluency. Not memorizing thousands of rules,